Hi guys, night out, hindi nakaka-irritate, hindi masakit sa mata, hindi na-irritate ang beauty ko. Night out tonight. Merong karaoke every Thursday here. So, yeah, we're going to enjoy this karaoke. Plus, I think they have a practice here. What do you call? Is this soccer practice? Soccer club? Yeah, they have a ball. Yeah, it's a soccer club. So, hindi nakaka-irritate. Hindi masakit sa mata. Maganda ang beauty. Sa weather, cold weather. So, hold on. Paano ba i-reverse tong camera? I-reverse natin ang camera. Just like that. Just like that. So, saan ba ang reversing nito? Pag ano lang pala. Kapag yung only the time that's on live. Ayan, nagpa-practice sila. Zoom ko. Soccer club ata to eh. Rugby. Rugby club. Ano ka ba ma-zoom? Hindi ko ma-zoom. Ang daming nagpa-practice. Rugby club. Hindi ko ma-zoom Yan, labas tayo. OTD for today, for tonight. Lagay natin dyan. Ang glow ko nasa pisngi pala. Okay, ang ganda ng plants nila dito, oh. So, showing my OTD. My Sketcher and bag, same color. May tao pala dito. Okay. So, ayan nga, may practice ang rugby club here. Andun ang pinaka club niya. Yan, whole parking yan. Andun yung sign. Ayan ang club. Ayan, meron silang practice. Ano ba makikita? Hindi ko ma-zoom. Saan ko na ilagay?